Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris and today I would like to show you what's happening for the Bitcoin price, because right now we are in an emergency situation. Bitcoin is dumping very hard, and the reason of that is because SEC issues Binance and the CEO of Binance CZ, because they actually say that Binance and actually the CEO mishandling billions of dollars. So that actually could be very bad for the Binance if it's true. But guys, right now this thing created lots of FUD, and Binance already respond that they are ready to protect themselves and actually to approve to everyone that this is nothing to carry about. Okay, so on this video I'm gonna tell you my approach and actually what I'm gonna expect for the Bitcoin price and actually for this current dump that's happening, and what levels we should pay big focus. So if you're interested to know what's the next move and actually if Bitcoin gonna break this massive and crucial $25,200 support area, and if Bitcoin gonna continue to lower level, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue, I would like to declare you that I'm not financial advisor. Whatever you're gonna see in this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment or any kind of trade. And do not forget also, guys, to check my VIP Elite Soldiers, where here you're gonna find a very elite strategy which I follow, and actually I'm accumulating my two big holdings, which is the Ethereum and Bitcoin. But I do that through a very smart strategy. As I told you, I'm investing in altcoins, and in every altcoin season that we are experiencing, I make crazy profits, and especially in the bull run, I make crazy wealth through this strategy. And also here you're gonna find my Telegram VIP community, where multimillionaires included on that community, and all together, guys, we are analyzing things related with crypto. We're reviewing projects and whatever you can imagine. Highly recommended to enter if you're interested to build big wealth and connections and also knowledge. Okay, highly recommended. So without losing more time, let's get back to the video and start analyzing what's happening and what's the current situation of the Bitcoin price, because we are, as I told you, in an emergency. Guys, you can clearly see that Bitcoin right now is standing at $25,650. And guys, on this video we'll speak about a bigger time frames for a daily and weekly, because right now the situation need an out zoom, because this news can actually last only 1-2 days. And actually, I mean, the fear of this news and all this kind of dump can lead up into massive reversal. So pay big attention here on the things that I'm gonna tell you. If we zoom out, you're gonna notice, guys, that we are above the 200 daily moving average, and you can clearly see that the last time that we saw this massive drop, and actually this drop bounce in that massive support. And guys, to remind you, this was when the bank crisis, this was back when we had the bank which went into bankruptcy, and we saw massive adoption for the Bitcoin price, and actually we bounced from this 200 daily moving average, and afterwards we saw an insane explosion up to $30,000. So right now the support is gonna be around the $23,500. It's gonna be around that area if we're gonna see a continuation of this dump, and especially if we're gonna break this $25,200, we're gonna get into the first support, which would be around that area which I told you. Okay, but to get there, we will need to break this crucial support, which is the $25,200, and is actually the previous height which we had retested for many times. And always, guys, as you can clearly see here, we were finding big rejections, and we broke that resistance the time that actually we saw adoption of the Bitcoin price. This was the time that we broke this support. And right now we're gonna get to retest it as a support for the first time. There is massive probability, guys, to see massive spike and massive bounce from that support. So hold on, do not hurry to actually sort your positions from especially this price that we are standing right now. $25,600 is very dangerous if you open a short position with a goal, for example 22, 23, 21, $20,000, because there is lots of probabilities to bounce from that price. I told in my Patreon group before a couple minutes that if we're gonna see massive impact from the news on the Bitcoin price, we will need to see that happening within 1 or 2 days. If we're gonna stay on these areas for over 2 days, and I mean if we're gonna close even the tomorrow daily candle above this $25,200, then I'm gonna be almost pretty sure that we're gonna bounce from that support. Okay, but if we're gonna see today in the next coming hours furthermore dump, and let's say we're gonna get at $24,200, then there is a big probability to get straight into this support to retest the daily 200 moving average. And if we're gonna break that, then obviously guys we're gonna get straight to this $20,500 area, which we have here guys, a CME gap which is still open at this area, $20,500. So if we're gonna break all these supports which I showed you, then we're gonna get straight to close this massive open CME gap, and then I believe that we're gonna see a reversal. I don't believe that we're gonna get under $20,000 again, and the reason of that is because the adoption that we saw previously in the areas which I showed you when we saw the bank crisis. Okay, it was actually here on these areas. This was very strong movement for me and actually changed completely my analysis, because you can clearly see the time that we saw this current pump, we hold very tight above the $25,200, and we went straight to even above the $30,000 area, which was a very big move. Okay, so right now we should pay attention here on what's going to happen in today or tomorrow if we're going to get actually under this red line. Also, would like to show you guys that the weekly 200 moving average is broke. Okay, you can clearly see that it broke very strongly, but obviously this will need 6 days to actually find if we're gonna see a confirmation of this breakout, because otherwise you're gonna see in 3 days from now or 4 days from now a bounce to $28,000 or $27,000. Obviously we're gonna get above this 200 weekly moving average again, and we're gonna close the weekly candle above this massive support, and we're gonna have only the week which are gonna have the breakout, so it won't be a confirmation of the breakout. Okay, so this is exactly what I would like to tell you, and I would like here to say some general things to have in your mind, that if we're gonna see this scenario and gonna get straight to $20,000 area, do not panic, do not actually fear or whatsoever. This is very temporarily, and find this dump as an opportunity to buy more. Okay, I personally will buy like crazy, especially if I'm gonna see Ethereum into a lower price. I'm gonna buy like crazy, because I told you what's going on with Ethereum right now the last couple of days into my Patreon group, and I will suggest you guys to enter on my Patreon group if you don't want to miss the latest infos of the market. Obviously I'm sharing with you the most things on these videos, but here on these videos I talk most about Bitcoin, not for all around the things for the crypto space, because the video is gonna be so long and don't have so much time to do that. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Let me know down below in the comment section if you have any question. I will be happy to reply that. Here I would like to say also a big thank you to everyone who is supporting me. Appreciate you for the bottom of my heart for all this help support, guys. Until my next video, your boy Chris is out. Bye.